Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.13 trillion. We're up 0.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 37.8%. Looking at the overall markets, we are starting to see mild green across the board, and that is to be expected. As you guys may know, we did see this market pullback after the entire Tesla saying they won't be accepting Bitcoin due to environmental issues. That created a lot of panic across the board, which created markets going down in the downwards trend. But I believe as long as Bitcoin were to find a new zone where it could trade sideways, markets will recover very, very fast. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than Cardano. Alright guys, if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, Cardano is currently trading at $2.03. It's down 2.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 0.1% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 5th spot. Market cap right now is $61 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $8 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Cardano, guys, in just the last year alone, Cardano is up 3,820%. And in just the last 14 days, we're up 49.6%. So everything is looking very, very nice for Cardano, guys. And I believe we are in for a hell of a ride, and we're just down 16.3% away from its all-time high, which we just hit 2 days ago. So everything is looking very, very nice for Cardano right now if we are looking at the charts. But today I'm going to share something with you guys, and then we will deep dive into the charts to see where exactly Cardano is going in the immediate short term. Alright guys, so Cardano Foundation posted this. It is Cardano is on fire. We do not need to wait for smart contracts. Let's get business activity on the chain today. Hear from F. Gerard in our Fireside Chart series about what is possible right now and a bit of a teaser for an upcoming launch. So, to all the Cardano community, all the Cardano supporters, I will leave the link in the description box below for this YouTube video. I strongly encourage each and every one of you guys to check out, especially if you are a Cardano holder. Strongly recommend you guys. The link will be in the description box below. But now let's deep dive into the charts to see what's exactly going on with Cardano. So Cardano is doing something absolutely insane. We had a rally all the way up to $2.47, and you guys know, all my Cardano supporters, you guys know I predicted all this to occur, and obviously as a coincidence, this Tesla and Tesla and Cardano speculation came out as well after Tesla came out and announced they will be looking for something, aside from Bitcoin to add as a payment, in Tesla to purchase cars. And a lot of speculation that Tesla might accept either XRP or Cardano. That has created a lot of, excitement, and that's why we did see price movement occur so fast. But let's see, where exactly we could see Cardano go in the immediate short term. Let's bring out the fib tool right away for you guys today, and we will get a better picture as to what is going on right now. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Thank you for taking your time out to watch my video. So yeah, let's look at this right now for you guys. So if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, as I mentioned earlier, we went to $2.47, and since then we had a retracement. Let's bring out the measuring tool and see how far we are down since its all-time high. We are down, guys, just 18.9%. Very normal, very, very normal in my opinion, and very healthy. We need these kind of corrections when we do see a crazy rally up like this, and that's very normal in my opinion. This $2 support level is playing out as a very crucial level of support for Cardano right now, as I can see. If we break that, guys, obviously as I mentioned, Bitcoin is a leading indicator at the end of the day for the entire market. So if Bitcoin were to go down, which it is in the shaky side of the market right now, if it were to go down, yes, definitely the entire market will go down with it for immediate intermediate short term, and Cardano is no exception. Right now, we're literally sitting at that support level for Cardano at that $2 range. If we break below that, I believe we could even fall further down. This is the next level of support at the $1.81 mark. I do not see us falling below that right now. I believe this would be a strong level of support for Cardano and will hold, considering what's exactly going on with Cardano and all the excitement coming in for Alonzo upgrades, smart contracts launching, and on top of that, African expansion. I do not see us falling below that. But at the end of the day, for short term, it is possible because Bitcoin does rule the market as it is the king of the entire space as a whole. I believe this would be a strong level of support. But if we're unable to hold that, and if Bitcoin were to decide to have a major flash crash, then we could even fall further back down to this $1.50 range, guys. And this is a major support level for Cardano. And I've been saying this for over and over again. You guys know, because this was a strong level of resistance for Cardano for months, and we finally broke past that. So once we break past resistance, it tends to become support. So this is a strong level of support for us, and I do not see us falling below that $1.50 mark. If that happens, I might accumulate more Cardano, because Cardano is definitely the future in my opinion, and considering what they are starting to do already, it's just absolutely insane. And this, and also everything is looking absolutely fine. But if you bought back Cardano back at 8 cents, guys, you guys know me, I always give you guys tips to have some sort of exit strategy in place. And if that's too much profit that you are not willing to lose, have some sort of exit strategy in place, or take some off the table and keep it for your personal use, because at the end of the day, we are here to make money. And if that money is too much that you cannot afford to lose, have some sort of exit strategy in place where you can lock in profits. I always tell you guys that, and I cannot stress that enough. So that is the bullish, that is the bearish scenario if that were to play out, because right now, if we are looking at Bitcoin's price right now, guys, Bitcoin is literally right now sitting on right below this major support level for Bitcoin, which is at the 43,244%. We wicked down like 3-4 times, but we were bought back up very quickly. But if it's unable to get back above this, 43,000 level, guys, then let me show you where we are headed off to next. We could even possibly fall down to $37,000. We could possibly fall back down to that level, because that is the next level of support for Bitcoin. And if that happened, guys, the entire market is gonna go down with it. I personally would not like for Bitcoin to do this. I would like for Bitcoin to get back above this range of 43,200 and trade within this range, or get back and trade between the $50,000 range and trade sideways, which will cause the markets to recover very, very fast. But if we do go down back to this $37,000 level, we could see markets pull back down. And in my opinion, if I have additional funds available, I will be buying the coins that I personally like and that I believe have the vision long term. At the end of the day, you guys know me, I always say, and there's like 6,000 to 7,000 coins on the cryptocurrency markets, and 95% of them will fail, guys. Only 5% will succeed with a real use case and utility and strong fundamentals. They will survive, and Cardano, without a doubt, is one of them. Long term, these kind of pullbacks are very normal. I have been in the markets for super long. This is a regular occurrence in the markets. I know it could be very, very scary for the newcomers coming in the markets, but as I say, as long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, patience will be your number one key to follow, especially if you believe in the project. And Cardano is absolutely insane project, and I could see it being one of the top in just the next 3 to 5 years, or if not sooner. If we're going on to staking rewards right now, guys, this thing gets me extremely excited. Top 10 crypto assets staked by value. I've shared this with you guys before, but if you're new to the channel, I will share this with you once again. Cardano is the #1 most staked asset in the entire cryptocurrency markets, with $46.8 billion worth of Cardano staked right now, guys. So let me just put that into perspective for you guys right now. Let's load this up. Yeah, it's coming up right now. It's just loading. Yeah, so This means that a 74.19% of Cardano's circulation supply, guys, is staked right now. Absolutely insane. And this grows day by day, and this goes to show people are just staking their Cardano, earning passive income and compounding their earnings, and making their holdings larger day by day, because they see Cardano becoming one of the biggest currencies in the cryptocurrency markets. And I am a strong believer on that as well. I believe this is the biggest ETH killer we have ever seen in the markets. We have been hearing the term Ethereum killer for the longest time, and I believe Cardano is the biggest competitor as is. That's why we're seeing so much interest coming in, not only from institutional side but also developer side. As I have mentioned, developers are starting to develop on Cardano or other blockchains instead of Ethereum, because Ethereum has its own scalability issues and so many more issues. Meanwhile, other blockchains are way better in tech if we compare it with Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum has the first mover advantage. It's more of a store of value, in my opinion, as I've shared with you guys in previous videos. More of a store of value, in my opinion, because it has built up its credibility, and a lot of people look at it as a store of value now, like Bitcoin. But if we're comparing tech, guys, if we look at Cardano next to ETH, Cardano is so much more superior in so many more ways, and it gets me super excited. And long term, guys, you guys know the potential for Cardano, and not only me, this goes to show, just the staking value itself shows how much people are really interested in Cardano. And I have mentioned on my channel before to you guys that I believe, as the stake supply gets larger and larger, we will see a major supply shock on the on the exchanges. That meaning that there's going to be less coins to purchase on the exchange, and the demand kicks in. Is basic economic rule, supply and demand. When that kicks in, the sky's the limit for Cardano. I'm a strong believer on that, and I believe in the next coming months we will be looking back at these prices and laughing at that. Cardano has a huge potential, but at the end of the day, this is just my own personal opinion, and only time will tell. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see Cardano go at the end of this year. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and also let me know where you could see Cardano trading at the end of the month. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. This helps my video go to a wider audience, so your support will be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. I want to thank each and every one of you guys that support me on a daily basis. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. I do this all for you guys, and I will keep delivering it, and I believe this is just an absolute start for our channel. And stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. With that being said, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.